That was the Speaker Tuesday evening delivering the directions that he will give this afternoon. And of course, the members are expected to converge at exactly 2:30 on the floor of the House. Now, from the National Assembly to a devolved assembly here, the Kiambu County Assembly has resumed its sitting after the long recess with an assurance from the ward representatives that they will burn the midnight oil to ensure business is done. The MCAs commenced their legislative duties addressing key motions, including approval of Dr Mercy Murugi as the County Executive Committee member for Education, Gender and Social Services. The legislators assured the electorates of their commitment to serve with diligence. The MCAs took an issue with the Senate, accusing the lawmakers of not fighting hard to protect devolution.
Tiwa budget ya kufanya kazi katika hii muhula tuko nayo, lakini tutajiconfine ourselves within ile pesa kidogo ambayo tutakuwa tunapata kama bunge, ili tuone ya kwamba tunatekeleza yale majukumu ambayo tunafaa kufanya kulingana na ile budget tutakuwa nayo.
Tungewaomba wakati ambapo pengine wanaandaa hizi bills waweze kuzileta kwa bunge wakati ambao unafaa, ili tupate muda mzuri wa kuweza kuhimiza watu wetu ni miswada ipi ama ni nini ziko katika meza yetu ya County Assembly.